Hi, in this video I will tell you more about rating function that will help you to increase your learner's motivation. In the learner's account, there will be a new section where your learner can see his results in the general rating. In the admin panel, you can find rating settings in the statistics section, and on the left side there is a list of courses, and we can make the course rating visible for all learners, visible only for teams, or hidden for all learners. On the right side there is a rating table and there is next information, learner's place in the rating, full name, points for the course, email, and his teams. We can filter data by date or team. And also it is possible to export the rating as Excel or CSV file, go to course editing or to course statistics. Let me show you how the rating looks from the learner's side. We can see that the rating became available in the rating section in the learner's account, and the learner can filter the table by date. Thank you for the attention. Have a nice day.